In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change clip order in CapCut. Reordering clips is one of those simple edits that instantly improves the flow of your video. Maybe an intro clip ended up in the middle, or a highlight needs to come first. I'll walk you through exactly how to open your project, add your footage, and rearrange clips so your story plays in the order you want. Start by opening CapCut and heading into your project. If you're starting fresh, create a new project so you land on the editor with the timeline at the bottom and your media panel visible. Give CapCut a moment to load everything so the thumbnails and waveforms appear clearly. This will make it easier to spot your clips later. Next, add your videos. You can import them into your media panel and then drag them onto the main timeline. Or, if you already see them in the media area, place them in the rough order you have now. Each clip will appear as a block on the timeline. If you're working with multiple clips, lay them out so you can see all of them in sequence. Don't worry about the order just yet. We're about to fix that. To change the clip order, click to select the clip you want to move, then drag it along the timeline to its new position. To make a clip play first, drag it all the way to the left until it sits at the very beginning of the timeline. You'll notice CapCut snaps clips into place as you move them. That's helpful for keeping everything aligned. Release the mouse when you see the insertion point where you want it. The surrounding clips will shift automatically to make room. If a clip doesn't move, check whether it's locked on the timeline and unlock it before dragging. On touch devices, press and hold the clip for a moment, then slide it to the left or right until it slots into the new spot. If you're working with clips that have attached audio, they'll move together so your sync stays intact. For precision, zoom in on the timeline so you can see the edges clearly. After rearranging, play back from a few seconds before the change to confirm the transition feels natural and the story flows. If needed, you can repeat the same drag and drop move to reshuffle clips until everything is in the right order. And that's it. Open CapCut, add your videos, and drag the clips to the left or right to set the sequence, bringing the one you want first to the far left. With these basics, you can quickly reshape your narrative and keep your audience engaged from the very first frame.